Starting a new business is one of the most exciting moves you can make, but the sheer confusion around filing fees, registered agents, and hidden costs often paralyzes aspiring entrepreneurs before they even file their first piece of paperwork. You have likely heard of Bizee, formerly known as Incfile, and seen their bold promise of a $0 LLC formation package where you only pay mandatory state fees. But is that $0 price tag actually real, or is it a clever marketing hook designed to hit you with surprise charges down the line? If you are trying to launch your company without burning through your launch budget or falling into subscription traps, understanding exactly what Bizee charges and where the hidden costs lie is critical. Today we are breaking down Bizee's complete pricing model, evaluating every package, uncovering the automatic renewal fees, and showing you exactly how to get your LLC up and running without spending a single dollar more than necessary. When you look at Bizee's breakdown, they structure their services across 3 core tiers: Basic, Standard, and Premium. The entry-level Basic package is advertised at $0 plus your mandatory state filing fee. This tier is genuine in that Bizee prepares and submits your articles of organization to your state government without charging a service fee. It also includes 1 year of free registered agent service, unlimited business name availability searches, and lifetime compliance tracking alerts. The underlying fear many founders have with free plans is that there must be a catch. The main catch here is that necessary documents like an employer identification number, also known as an EIN, and an operating agreement are not included. If you add an EIN as an à la carte option on the free plan, Bizee charges an extra fee, even though you can acquire an EIN directly from the IRS website yourself in under 15 minutes for free. Furthermore, while the registered agent service is completely free for the first 12 months, it automatically renews at around $119 to $149 per year starting in year 2. If you forget to cancel or budget for this renewal, your card will be charged automatically, which catches many first-time business owners off guard. Moving up to the mid-tier Standard plan, which costs $199 plus state fees, Bizee bundles the core items that most official entities need. This includes preparing your articles of organization, the first year of free registered agent service, custom operating agreement creation, EIN registration with the IRS, banking resolution paperwork, and access to their compliance dashboard. For many founders, this tier resolves the hassle of navigating IRS forms and drafting internal agreements manually. However, the critical question is whether convenience is worth the extra $199. If you are comfortable getting your own free EIN from irs.gov and using a free state-specific operating agreement template, you can easily replicate this entire package using the free Basic plan. At the highest tier sits the Premium package, priced between $299 and $349 plus state fees. This top-level option includes everything in the mid-tier plan, plus expedited state filing speed, a domain name, business email setup, and a library of legal contract templates. While expedited processing sounds attractive if you are in a rush to open a bank account or sign a contract, much of the extra cost in this tier goes toward digital add-ons that you can usually source cheaper or higher quality independently. Domain hosting and custom email packages, for instance, are often better managed directly through dedicated domain registrars or Google Workspace rather than bundled through a formation broker. During the checkout process on Bizee, you will also encounter several optional add-ons, such as virtual business address services, tax consultation offers, and expedited processing fees. The key actionable takeaway for setting up your business cost-effectively is straightforward. If you want maximum savings, choose the $0 Basic package. Make sure to opt into the free first year of registered agent service, but immediately set a calendar reminder 11 months out to evaluate whether you want to keep Bizee as your registered agent at the annual renewal rate or switch to acting as your own registered agent if your state permits it. After completing the free filing, go directly to the official IRS website during business hours to obtain your free EIN instantly, and download a standard operating agreement template to customize for your business records. If you prefer a hands-off, done-for-you experience where all tax and internal operational paperwork is handled in one submission, the $199 Standard package delivers solid value without forcing you to handle separate filings. By keeping these pricing nuances in mind, you can protect your cash flow, avoid unexpected subscription renewals, and launch your entity with total financial clarity.